Hi, this is Justin for Party Real Knowledge. Today we're going to talk about sandbags. So you want to use sandbags on any situation where you can't stake into the grass or dirt or whatever. Sandbags you can use in schools, inside. You can use them in gym floors. You can use them outside on blacktop or concrete. This sandbag right here, I got from Tent and Table. Put a 50-pound bag of sand in there. Beside that, put this flat in here, and then Velcro it back on this side. And then I use a carabiner. I try and get like a really high rated one. Cheapest I could find that's a really good high rating. Definitely over 100 pounds, double this. So, and I also like to use these and leave these clipped on to this. So your employees will leave these clipped onto the bounce houses. You don't end up taking them off, but you're better off suited when they're on here. I got this one from Innovationz. I have not used it yet, so I'll give a review on that later. But it's definitely cheaper than these Tent and Table ones. That's got double Velcro. There's only one Velcro on here. There's some differences, but they do the same thing. So I'll let you know which one's better later. But these are good. These are tried and true. I do like these. This is my storage bin that I use to store all my sandbags, and it's pretty empty because I got some out of the school right now. But yep, I got it pretty cheap. These are normally a couple $100. I got it for like $40. So find a used warehouse guy located near you. He will rock your world. So another thing you're going to want to get when you go inside or on hard surfaces and stuff like that is some mats. Mats definitely come in handy. I'll do a video on mats later. Hey everyone, I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to leave them in the comments. Or if you like the video, just give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Hope everyone's having a great day. We'll be coming out with some more videos soon, so stay tuned.